Hello everyone, we're doing a large unboxing today. So as you can see, I've received from my parents this cargo box. Okay, so it left the US December and just arrived today, end of January. Okay, so we'll see what it is. So are you ready? Let's go! Okay, so we've already cut the tape so that we are ready to go with the unboxing. And as you can see, okay, so these are my orders from eBay, and I just piled them together into one box, okay, before it was shipped here in the Philippines. And you can clearly see this is a box full of DC Bombshells merchandise. So I'm a big fan, for those of you who know, of the DC Bombshell series. Unfortunately, they are not so available here in our country, so I have to import them. Okay, so this one is the DC Comics Bombshell Stargirl statue. Okay, so we'll probably do a separate unboxing for all of this stuff individually. So this will just be a quick sense of the entire cargo box. And then we have here some Lil Bombshells. So you can see it's quite cheap, like $6 for everything, and there's around, I think, 8 inside this particular package. And we have boxes of, let's see what it is. Okay, so bombshells, but these are Dorbs style. So like this is Dorbs Poison Ivy limited edition. Then we have, this is Black Canary. And then we have other Bombshells Dorbs. We have here Katana. Okay, I won't take out the bubble wrap, but we have Katana. We have Bat Woman. We have Mera. And then we have Catwoman. Harley Quinn, of course. I don't know if you can see it through the bubble wrap. And finally, we have Wonder Woman. Okay, so let's see if we can take her out quickly. If not, again, we'll do a separate video of the Dorbs, all the Dorbs bombshells in this box. So we also have here a few more DC vinyls. So we have Black Canary here. Let's see what we have here. This is the Flash, Jesse Quick. This is Mera. And then we have Batgirl, the original version rather, not variant. Okay, and finally we have some more statues here. As mentioned, they will be unboxed on a separate video. But we have, let's see, we have Lois Lane, DC Bombshells. And then we have Batgirl here. We have another Batgirl, but this one is a Halloween variant. Okay, so and then we have, this is the Joker's daughter. Okay. And the last item in the box is Wonder Woman. Okay, so this is a Wonder Woman holiday variant. Okay, I was hoping to receive this package before Christmas so that I can display it, but again, because of the pandemic, there's a bit of a delay in the shipping. But I'm glad that it's here. So that's it. If you are interested to see each of the individual bombshells, okay, wait for the unboxing videos, as well as the other Lil bombshells and Dorbs bombshells. So thank you very much. Okay, and let's continue the hunt for DC bombshells.